In this video, we'll show you how to change the throttle body on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the throttle body on your vehicle, you need to remove the engine cover and the air intake system. Remove the engine cover. Pull on it to unclip it. Remove the air hose by pulling on it. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clips for the air intake duct on the airbox. Then remove the hose. Disconnect the throttle body connector. To do this, use a small screwdriver to remove the white locking tab. Then pull on the connector.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two bolts and two nuts that hold the throttle body in place. Then, remove it. Protect the inlet of the air intake system by plugging it with paper towels to prevent impurities from polluting the system. Using a fork, remove the old rubber seal. Then, clean the impurities at the gasket with a paper towel. You can order the throttle body used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new gasket, put the gasket back in place. Remove the paper towel. Install the new throttle body by threading the retaining bolts through their slots. Then screw the nuts back on, by hand at first. Then tighten the bolts by hand. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Replace the air intake duct. Then screw the hose clamps back on. Reconnect the hose. Put the engine cover back on. Operation complete.